everyone, good day. I'm Mark, third year marketing student, and today I'm really excited to share some things that shaping the companies communicate or artificial intelligence in corporate communication. We all know that communication is the heartbeat of every business, but imagine combining it with AI. Suddenly, companies can respond faster, understand their audience better, and even predict what people want to hear. In this video, we'll explore how AI transforms the way business connect with their employees, customer, and the public, and why it's becoming a game changer in the corporate world. So let's dive in and discover how AI is not just a future, but the present of corporate communication. So let's go. What is AI and why it matters? Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about AI in simple terms. AI or artificial intelligence is like giving a computer a brain. It can learn, decide, and even predict things just like a human, sometimes even faster. We actually use AI almost every day without noticing. Chatbots that answer questions online, Netflix or Spotify recommending shows or songs, Shopee or Lazada showing you products you just search for. Now let's connect that to corporate communication, which is just fancy way of saying how companies talk to people, employees, customers, the media, or the public. So imagine combining communication plus AI. That's like giving companies a super smart assistant who never sleeps, knows what people like, and reacts in seconds. That's the power of AI in corporate communication. Big roles of AI in corporate communication. Now let's dive into the 5 major roles of AI that are completely transforming how companies communicate. Number 1. 24/7 customer support, always open. Companies now have AI chatbots to handle questions day and night. Example, Globe Telecom here in the Philippines has G, their chatbot to handle promos and billing inquiries. Result, faster replies, happier customer, and less stress for human staff. Number 2. Personalized communication, talking to you, not everyone. AI studies customer habits and interests so companies can send messages that feel personal. Example, Lazada or Shopee giving you sale alerts for exactly what you browse. In corporate communication, this means emails and ads feels like they were made just for you, which builds stronger connection. Number 3. Social media and reputation management. The company ears online. AI tools listen to social media for comments, mentions, and even the emotions behind them. Example, Coca-Cola uses AI to track online conversations to protect its global image. If someone posts something negative, the company can react faster and protect its reputation. Super important in corporate communication. Number 4. Crisis communication and risk alert. AI as the early warning system. AI can detect problems before they go viral like fake news or sudden spikes of complaints. Example, airlines use AI to track Twitter complaints during flight delays so their comms team can apologize fast and handle the issue before it explodes online. Number 5. Content creation and smart assistant. Your writing body. AI can help draft emails, press releases, and social media posts in seconds. Example, tool like ChatGPT or Grammarly help companies write clear and professional message quickly. This speeds up communication and keeps the company voice consistent. Why AI matters beyond just tasks. After learning how AI works in corporate communication, I started thinking about its bigger impact, not just on companies but also on people. AI isn't only about answering questions faster or posting on social media, it's changing the way companies build relationships with everyone around them. It changes expectation. Today, people expect companies to reply instantly and understand their needs. If a brand responds slowly, people get frustrated. AI meets this expectation by being always available. But here's the twist. Once people get used to instant responses, they expect it from every company, so AI quietly raising the standards of communication for all businesses. It redefines the role of human in communication. Before AI, corporate communication teams had to do everything manually, answer emails, monitor social media, and handle reports. Now, AI takes care of repetitive work which frees humans to focus on creativity, storytelling, and emotional connection, things a machine can't replace. This means in the future, communication professionals will need to work alongside AI, guiding it rather than fearing it. It brings new responsibilities. The more companies rely on AI, the more important ethics and responsibility become. AI can make mistakes like giving wrong information or sounding insensitive. That's why human oversight is still critical. AI can enhance communication, but humans keep it trustworthy and meaningful. So for me, the importance of AI in corporate communication goes beyond efficiency. It's about creating smarter, faster, and more human-centered communication, while reminding us that technology works best when people guide it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you a clear and engaging look at how AI is shaping the future of corporate communication.